A 40-question English quiz with a mix of grammar and vocabulary. Start now and test your knowledge. Which spelling is correct? Answer B, failure. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer A, implement. Choose a synonym for shrewd. Answer D, clever. Which word is closest in meaning to superficial? Answer A, shallow. What does under the gun mean? Answer C, under pressure. What does get the ball rolling mean? Answer A, start. Which word is the opposite of quaint? Answer B, modern. Opposite of scarce. Answer A, plentiful. What is the plural of mat? Answer D, mats. Choose the correct plural form of shoe. Answer A, shoes. Fill in the blank. Answer D, there are a few cookies left. Complete the sentence. Answer C, I didn't have enough time to call you. What is the second form of plead? Answer A, pleaded. Past tense of rewind. Answer B, rewound. What is the opposite of stern? Answer D, gentle. Which word is the antonym of meager? Answer C, abundant. Select the opposite of rigid. Answer D. Flexible. What does back someone up mean? Answer B. Support. What does have a blast mean? Answer A. Have fun. What does by all means mean? Answer C. Certainly. Which word can replace rigorous? Answer D. Strict. Choose a synonym for stealthy. Answer A. Sneaky. Which word is closest in meaning to languid? Answer C. Weak. Identify the correct spelling. Answer D. Majority. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer A. Notion. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Instruct. What is the past form of lean? Answer C. Lent. Identify the past tense of grind. Answer A. Ground. Choose the past form of spin. Answer C. Spun. Complete the phrase. Answer B. He speaks more confidently than me. Fill in the blank. Answer C. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. He apologized for the confusion. What is the plural of cameraman? Answer A. Cameramen. Select the plural form of farmhouse. Answer C. Farmhouses. Choose the plural of showbox. Answer A. Shoeboxes. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Domestic. Which word can replace negligible? Answer A. Insignificant. What is the past form of awake? Answer B. Awoke. What is the plural of customer? Answer D. Customers. Select the plural of actor. Answer C. Actors. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.